ਹੈਲੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ, ਬੇਟਾ ਅੱਜ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ। ਆਲਮੋਸਟ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਆ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਬਾਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੋਲਵ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਮੈਂ ਹੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਕਰਾ ਦੇਣਾ। ਲਿਮਟ x ਅਪਰੋਚਿਸ ਟੂ 0 tan x over x to the power 1 over x square. So tan x over x as limit x approaches to 0, ਅਸੀਂ ਅਗਰ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਕਿ ਲਿਮਟ x approaches to 0 tan x over x, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ 1, ਅਤੇ ਅਗਰ ਇਹਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ 1 over 0 that is infinity, so this is becoming 1 to the power infinity. Now let y is equal to tan x over x to the power 1 over x square. Taking log on both sides, we will get 1 over x square. बेटा एक स्टेप में शॉर्ट कर रहे हैं, tan x over x. So this is equal to limit x approaches to 0. डिनोमीनेटर 'ਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ x square ਆ ਤੇ ਨਿਊਮਰੇਟਰ 'ਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਗਿਆ log of tan x over x. Now this is becoming 0 by 0 form because denominator is becoming 0 and numerator log 1. As the limit x approaches to 0 tan x over x 1, log 1 is 0, so 0 over 0 form. So we will apply L'Hospital rule. So this is limit x approaches to 0. Now denominator of x square is 2x. Log u, derivative of log u is 1 over u. 1 over u into derivative of u. Now derivative of u, for derivative of u we will apply quotient rule. X square x secant square x minus tan x into derivative of x. Now limit x approaches to 0, this will become x over tan x into x secant square x minus tan x divided by x cube, 2x cube. Now student, as limit x approaches to 0, this factor will become 1, and in this factor this is becoming 0 by 0 form. So we will apply L'Hospital rule in this factor and this will become 1. Now this is 1, limit x approaches to 0. Now derivative of 2x cube is 6x square, and derivative of x square secant square x, we will apply product rule here. X into 2 secant x into derivative of secant x, that is secant x into tan x, plus secant square x as it is, derivative of x is 1, minus derivative of tan x, that is secant square x. Now this will cancel. Now 2 over 6, that is 1 by 3. Limit x approaches to 0, एक फैक्टर x का कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Now this is secant square x into tan x over x, and as limit x approaches to 0, tan x over x will become 1, secant 0 will become 1. So this is 1 by 3 into 1 into 1. So total answer will be 1 by 3. So this is the value of log y, limit x approaches to 0. So limit x approaches to 0, y is equal to e to the power 1 by 3. So hence, what is y? Tan x over x to the power 1 by x square. So therefore limit x approaches to 0, tan x over x to the power 1 by x square is equal to e to the power 1 by 3. Now next question is limit x approaches to a 2 minus x over a to the power 10 pi x over 2a. Now as x approaches to a, now a over a is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and in the power 10 pi by 2, which is infinity, so 1 to the power infinity, this is of the form 1 to the power infinity. So we will let y is equal to 2 minus x over a to the power 10 pi x over 2a. Now taking log on both sides, log of y is equal to 10 pi x over 2a into log of 2 minus x over a. Now this is becoming infinity into log 1 if limit x approaches to a. If limit x will approach to a, this will become infinity and this will become 0. So infinity into 0, either we can convert this into 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. So this can be written as limit x approaches to a log of 2 minus x over a, and tan theta can be written as 1 over cot theta. So this can be written as cot pi x over 2a. Now this is becoming 0 by 0 form. So we can apply L'Hospital rule here. So therefore this is equal to limit x approaches to 0. Now derivative of log u, this is 1 over u into derivative of u, and derivative of cot theta is minus cosecant square theta into derivative of theta is 1 over pi over 2a. Now if x will approach to a, this will become 1 over 1, 1 minus 1 over a, and denominator will become cosecant square pi by 2. Cosecant square pi by 2 is equal to 1. So now it is becoming determinant form. We will apply the limit. Now this is 1 over 2 minus a over a into minus 1 over a divided by minus cosecant square pi over 2 into pi over 2, pi over 2a. So this is equal to minus 1 over a, because this will become 1, minus pi over 2a into 1. So total answer will be equal to 2 over pi. So this was the limit x approaches to a log y is equal to 2 over pi. So therefore limit x approaches to a, y is equal to e to the power 2 over pi. So hence we get the solution. Now next question is limit x approaches to pi by 4. Limit x approaches to pi by 4, tan x to the power tan 2x. Now as x will approach to pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is becoming 1, and if we will talk about power, tan 2x, 2 pi by 4 which is pi by 2, tan pi by 2 infinity, so 1 to the power infinity, this is becoming 1 to the power infinity form. So again, like previous questions, we will take y is equal to tan x to the power tan 2x. Now taking log on both sides, log of y is equal to tan 2x into log of tan x. Now if limit x will approach to pi by 4, if x will approach to pi by 4, this is becoming infinity into 0 form. Infinity into 0 form. So this can be written as limit x approaches to pi by 4 log tan x divided by cot 2x. Now it is becoming 0 over 0 form. 0 over 0 form. So we can apply L'Hospital rule here. So limit x approaches to pi by 4, tan u 1 over u into derivative of u, cot 2x, derivative of cot 2x minus 2 cosecant square 2x. Now this is limit x approaches to pi by 4, cosecant square 2x can be written as sine square 2x. Now minus 1 by 2. Now 1 over tan x means cot x. Cot x can be written as cos x over sin x. And secant square is 1 over cos square x. So cancel cos x. So negative limit x approaches to pi by 4. This is 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin theta cos theta, this is sin 2 theta means sin 2x. And in the numerator we have sin square 2x. So cancel sin 2x. So this is limit x approaches to pi by 4. We have only sin 2x. Now it is determinant form. We will put the values of x and we will get minus 1. So therefore limit x approaches to pi by 4. Limit of log y is equal to minus 1. Therefore limit x approaches to pi by 4. Y is equal to e to the power minus 1. So beta almost ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਹੈ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਸ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਦੇ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰੋ as soon as possible. अगर ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਈ ਡਾਊਟ ਹੈ then send me so that I can start new chapter. Thank you beta.